This is like take 6 now.
Yeah.
Hi everybody. Welcome back to another episode of The Many Roads We Travel. Unboxing, or more so video. Anyway, I'm Nick. This is Amber.
Hi. This may be our 6th take, but don't worry, we haven't even gotten to the part of opening up the box yet.
It's still sealed. I mean, you can still see the tape, the shininess and all. Anyway, super excited about this. So, when I was younger, I had the whole collection of a toy called Army Ants that came out in the early 90's. And I didn't know that as I got older, I didn't realize that other countries had different variations of different figures for a bunch of different toy lines. But super excited because this is a box of Army Ants from, or European Army Ants from Italy, so Italian Army Ants, or as some people like to say, Italian. So I guess it came from Italy, maybe? I don't know. So this came from One Man's Junk. For those of you who are not familiar with Army Ants, this is American Army Ant, and they came in blue and orange. And then some had like the red butts. This one's pretty dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it. And then blue had green, and then some had like almost looked like they glowed in the dark. And then here are some accessories. They're silver, some are silver, black, red. So we were at ZoloCon, and one of my friends there, he pointed out that somebody had one of the pyramid boxes of the European Army Ants, and I was very fortunate enough to be able to get it. And then when I went online, I didn't realize that they made a whole bunch of other ones. So was on eBay, and from One Man's Junk, he had pretty much everything else that I didn't have, so I was able to get it. And
I'm just going to open it up in front of you guys.
Yes, now I'm going to open it up. You're okay. I promise, you're okay.
Did a very nice job packing this already.
And there's the sticker.
One Man's Junk.
Put that right there.
He's on Facebook, eBay. And I'll make sure I include the information for One Man's Junk also on the video.
Okay. So I don't even know where to begin because there's all kinds of amazing stuff in here. So these are still sealed. And these are single packs of the Army Ants, which they never had anything like this in the U.S. They had, I believe it was a 3-pack, and then like an 8-pack, or maybe a 4-pack and an 8-pack here. I can't remember offhand. And the cool thing with these, they made them in different color bags. Another one still sealed. And then, so they did 4 packs. And then, as you can see, they're different colors than what the American Army ants are. And then it has iridescent clear butt or thorax or whatever you want to call it. And they made them in like this turquoise color. There's pink, silver, and then that color.
Teal.
Yeah. And then they made them in like, and then the 4 packs would have, there's another singles pack. And then they would do 4 packs in these little canisters, and then they made them in 4 different colors. It was clear, blue, pink, and green. And here's the green one. Silver. It's like Christmas. This is very exciting. And then here's the pyramid box. Do the tape here to show everybody. Slide this out. So in here, it's a set of 8 different army ants inside of basically what I just showed you, and so they made these in a blue, like this, silver, pink, and green. Deal with that later. And then here's the pink one.
And you got the silver one at Zolocon, right?
No, I got the blue one at Zolocon. There's the green one. So I got the blue, pink, and green. And the only one I'm missing right now is the silver. And then, okay, so there's an orange can. So there's green, orange, clear, pink, and blue canister. And then more of the single packs.
Keep reminding me of like little cracker things or something.
Like the Cracker Jacks?
No, like little cookies or something like that, and little packets. Sorry, I'm just getting off of work, so I'm hungry.
I don't recommend eating these. And then also on top of that, it's like 11:44 at night. So I got this earlier today, probably like around, I don't know, 4 or 5 o'clock, and wanted to wait until Amber got home to open all this. But yeah, so I should have pretty much the entire set except for the silver pyramid, which I'm still in search of. So hopefully I'll find it sooner or later, and then I'll have all the army ant down. All the army ants. And as far as the single packs go, I believe I do have all of these now still sealed, which is I can slide them out. I don't trust scissors with this. Especially with it being something like it was never released in the U.S. So.
Gotcha. You don't trust me with scissors. I understand.
I love you. I do.
Mm-hmm.
So there's silver, gold, red, like a pink, and
it's not a Leica.
blue.
It is pink.
Well, it's like a bubblegum pink kind of.
It's still pink.
All right. Well, okay, it's pink. It's pink. I love you.
Love you too.
So, see if there's when, and then also it's like some of the ants are clear, iridescent, and that green. I also wanted to see if I can, yeah, this one has some accessories in there. So with let's see if I can find something it's all similar. Yeah, there we go. So this is for a American Army ant, and this is one for a the Italian Army ant. You could see that the accessories are similar, but different style, different colors, which is really cool. So, well, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed the unboxing and some of this amazing vintage 90s goodness right here from another country. And I'm going to play with these now. So
if you're looking for any other shows coming up soon, there's Awesome Con coming up in DC next weekend, and I know there's the Toys of the Ages Expo in Carlisle, PA, that's coming up in like 2 weekends. So just look out for some videos and pictures soon.
And then the next one we're going to be setting up at will be Baltimore Slugfest 2 in October.
Mm-hmm.
Just forgot October what though, but we'll notify everybody when it gets closer to when we're going to be setting up. And then we'll also be at the Pasadena Toy Expo October 16th for Baltimore Slugfest, and then we'll also be at the Pasadena Toy Expo is that November?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, that written down here.
Alright. Well, that'll be in November, and when that gets closer, we'll also post more about that. So, again, hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully we'll be seeing you soon.